The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in central Virginia, north central Charlotte County in south central Virginia, northeastern Campbell County in South Virginia, southwestern Buckingham County in central Virginia, southeastern Amherst County in central Virginia, until 8:45 p.m. EDT, at 7:37 p.m. EDT. A severe thunderstorm was Lower Oakville, or near Bent Creek, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour. Wind gusts in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amherst, Appomattox, Bent Creek, Concord, Red House, Pamplin City, and Appomattox National Historic Park. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1.866.215.4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page on X.